Jai Srimanarayana. 11th sloka of first chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Ayaneshu cha sarveshu yadha bhagam avasthitaha bhishmam येवाभिरक्षन्तु भवन्तः सर्व एव हि ॐ. Do not misuse the association of elders, acharyas and the devotees. And the final message of Sri Krishna Paramatma from Bhagavad Gita 18th chapter is, come to me, surrender to me alone. Mamekam saranam vraja. Let us give a word to Sri Krishna Paramatma. As and how a child comes to parents and says that from today onwards I listen to you, that brings so much happiness to parents. So also now what the word that we are giving to Sri Krishna Paramatma brings him happiness. That is the highest puja that we are trying to do every day. So from your bottom levels of heart, please say this to Krishna Paramatma, saying that, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall not misuse the association of devotees, elders and acharyas. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall come to you, surrender to you alone. Karishye vachanam tava sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadam mrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukayogindra. Yam pravrajantamapetamapetakrutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo 8th Skandham. Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Vamana praising Bali Chakravarti's dynasty and saying like this, O Bali, Hiranyakasipu went to Vishnu Lokam to kill Sri Mahavishnu. Sri Mahavishnu has seen that. And Sri Mahavishnu entered into Hiranyakasipu's body so that Hiranyakasipu will not be able to locate him. Then Hiranyakasipu, he searched everywhere in that Vishnu Lokam for Sri Mahavishnu. Saha tanniketam parimrusya sunyam apasyamanaha kupitaha. He searched everywhere, but he could not see, he could not find Sri Mahavishnu anywhere. Haringanaka kopambumanaka minnu mannu nanveshinchi tridivambuna disalam parikinchi patalambu parikshinchi. When Hiranyakasipu was not able to find Sri Mahavishnu in Vishnu Lokam, then he started searching for Vishnu everywhere on this earth, in the upper worlds, in every direction, in the dens, in the oceans, and everywhere in this universe. Hiranyakasipu searched for Sri Mahavishnu, but yet he could not see him. Then Hiranyakasipu thought, probably Sri Mahavishnu got scared of me and ran away, or probably he is killed. So I should not be having any kind of retaliation upon who have already got killed. I should not be doing that. Like that Hiranyakasipu felt, and he went back. Like that, Vamana saying all this story to Bali Chakravarti. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 1st chapter, 11th sloka. Ayaneshu cha sarveshu yadha bhagam avasthitaha bhishmameva abhirakshantu bhavantaha sarvayevahi. Ayaneshu cha sarveshu yadha bhagam avasthitaha bhishmameva abhirakshantu bhavantas sarvayevahi. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.